Now we will answer the questions which were asked in our project. Question 1. How does the probability of the rat vary with time? So in both the parts, in the lattice and the sphere, we can see that the probability of survival decreases with time and the probability of mating increases with time. The probability of mating is directly proportional to 1 by times raised to the power c. C would be a constant which would be found out depending on the question. Next question goes on, does the survival probability depend on L, which is the length of the square, R, which is the radius of the sphere? Derive the relationship. As we saw using the equations, that it does depend on the length L of the square and it does depend on the radius R. For the radius question, we can see that it's directly proportional to 1 by raised to the power 4th of the radius. Hence, as the radius increases, the chance of survival increases in a much greater manner. To the next question, can we determine the limited value of the survival probability when the step length is infinitesimally small and the number of steps is sufficiently large? Yes, we have done that, and to calculate that we can say after a large number of steps we can assume that them to be at any point in the lattice. Hence the probability of being at a point is 1 by L square. Hence the probability of a meet would be 1 by L raised to the power 4 and the probability of survival would be 1 raised to the power L 1 minus 1 divided by L raised to the power 4. Similarly, for the sphere question, the probability of being at a point would become 1 by 4 pi r square. Hence the probability of survival would be 1 minus square of 1 by 4 pi r square. Thank you.